welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I do loose curls on my hair within 10 minutes, so keep on watching. For loose curls, I just divide my hair in two equal parts. Don't forget to use your heat protectant. I am using Tresemme thermal heat protection. After spraying all over your hair, brush your hair so that it will spread equally on your hair length. Now I'm going to work on my right section first. I am using 1-inch wand to curl my hair. Always keep in mind, if you are right-handed, then take curling wand on your left hand and wrap your hair on wand with your right hand and vice versa. I always curl my hair by taking my hand above my head. Just wait for 10 seconds and drop your hair on your palm and again wait for 10 seconds. This way you will not going to lose the curls and it stays for longest time. Now I'm going to repeat this on all over my hair. Also, while wrapping it, I am wrapping my hair away from the face so it will not bother your face or it will not come towards your face. So it's good if you wrap your hair away from your face. Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so